Alright, let's look at these questions now. A profit of 36% on the cost price was made by selling an article for 40.8. Calculate the profit made. Since the question is about profit, then my formula will be A is equal to P times 1 plus R over 100. I just need to decide the given number is A or P. A profit of 36% on the cost price was made by selling an article for 40.8. So this is the sale price after the profit. Means that it is the new price. Then A is equal to 40.8. We have to find what P is. 1 plus 36% of profit. So that makes 40.8 is equal to P times 1.36. Both sides divided by 1.36. Let's calculate what P is. P is the old price. So 40.8 divided by 1.36, the result is 30. So the cost is 30 kina. Then the question is calculate the profit made. So the profit will be the sale price is 40.8, cost is 30, so the profit will be 10.8 kina. Question number 5. A man bought a car 112,000 and sold it later for 95,200. We'll find his percentage loss. Remember the formula of percentage. The amount of profit or loss, we will write it on the numerator. Based on what price, based on what amount you get loss or you made profit, we will write it in the denominator times 100. So what do I write on the numerator? I need to write the amount of loss. How will I find it? The amount that I bought it and the amount that I sold it. We subtract them. Based on what price you lost money? Based on 112,000 kina. So divided by 112,000. Let's see that. 112,000 minus 95,200. So that makes 16,800 divided by 112,000 times 100. So that makes 112,000 times 100, 15%. So it means that the person lost 15%. He made a loss of 15%. Let's look at question number 6. But before that, let's change the color for our pen. During the past year, John's salary was increased by 12%. So our formula is, since we are talking about increase, A P times 1 over 1 plus R over 100 is now 24,800. After the increase, the new salary is this much per annum. Calculate the salary a year ago. So since this is the new salary, which means that it is A, 24,808, they're asking me the old salary, 1 plus how much it is increased, 12%. So that makes that P times 1.12 is equal to 24,808. Then P will be equal to, divided by 1.12, 22,150 kina. Given that the mark price of 78.5 kina give the shopkeeper 25% profit on his cost price. Find the cost. So, since we are talking about profit, A is equal to P times 1 plus R over 100. And this is after the profit. That's the new price, it means. So that is 78.5, that is A. I will find the cost, P, 1 plus 25 over 100. So that makes 78.5 is equal to P times 1.25, and the P is equal to 78.5 divided by 1.25. 62.8 kina. 62.8 kina will be the cost of the item.